It's not broken, but I sprained it. I sprained my thumb. You see that, guys? The ladies from the town are wearing the traditional outfits for the Mopin Festival. So we are here in Daporiggio.
Yes.
Daporiggio.
Daporiggio.
Yeah, because yesterday I was saying all day Dapogiro.
Oh, Daporiggio. Daporiggio. You can take a picture of that hotel.
Yeah, so that's where we stayed last night. And Mr. Ribo here.
Yeah.
From the Gallo tribe,
yes,
was our host, and we have a lovely time last time.
It was great to have you and Saliha.
We had some good local wine. We did some dance moves.
Yes,
we wore some traditional outfits from the Gallo tribe.
We had a spontaneous impromptu party.
Yes, exactly, out of the blue.
Out of the blue. Yeah. Yes, that's how it is with us here.
So all the ladies are going, you said, to the Mopin Festival.
Yes,
that's good.
It's gonna go on for 5 days.
So is Mopin a tribe?
Mopin is a festival of our tribe.
Oh, so it's a festival for the Gallo tribe?
Yes, and we are celebrating the Golden Jubilee here.
Okay.
And in this town, it's the 50th time we are gonna celebrate it.
Okay, nice.
So today it's a cultural program day. Okay. Cultural competition day.
Okay.
And the main event is on the 5th.
Okay, so in a few days. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, beautiful.
So people from all over the district, all over the area, they have all come here in Daporiggio now.
I see.
And even we are hosting 5 villages in our house. Some here, some there in the other building. So it's a lot of crowd now.
Big gathering today in Daporiggio.
Yes.
Beautiful. So for us guys, sorry, you were going to say something?
No.
Okay. So for us guys, we're heading towards Alo today, so 5 hours ride. So we are very late because we were so tired from yesterday's ride.
Yes.
So it's already midday. We are going to start riding now, and we should be reaching in 5 hours. You said?
Yeah, 5 hours, more or less. The road is good.
See. Yeah.
I even invited him that he could stay here longer, or he could have been in my village, seen a bit of a village life. Next time, if you want.
Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. Unfortunately, this time around we have a time constraint, so but maybe next time, man.
Yes.
Thanks a lot for having us. You're a great host, man. Keep it up. And guys, if you come to Daporiggio, check out the Santanu Hotel.
Best hotel.
Yeah.
Clean and
bring your rooms. Okay,
for us
guys.
It was good, very good.
Yeah, she has high standards. She's a Turkish princess. At least she believes. Yes. She believes it. Okay, for us guys, let's ride. Let's go. Okay. Nice. Okay guys, so leaving the town of Daporiggio now, heading towards Alo. Google Maps says 5 hours, which means probably 6 or 7, and it's already 1 p.m. So I don't really like the sound of it, but that's how it is. Okay, so I just went to inflate the tires because after the last ride, well, obviously it was very rocky, very bouncy, very slushy, so the front tire was almost flat. It's probably a slow puncture to it as well, I don't know. Anyway, it looks like the road is starting exactly the way we left it off. That's lovely. Let's see how we go. Actually, it looks like it's getting worse than last night. Oh wow, that's deep. Oh. Four little puddle to warm up, as a warm up for today's ride. That sounds about right. Look at the ladies. Nice. So probably part of that Gallo tribe going to that festival. Oh, you see how muddy that road is. You better be good at keeping your bike balance, otherwise you're gonna smash the ground, and you're good for. Look locals. It's like a game for them. And you see what bike he's having, and I have an adventure bike, and he's just shaking me off. For them it's like a daily routine. For me it's something to make a vlog about. The road, honestly, I feel bad for the locals. I mean, they obviously don't care much, but still. If I were living here, especially as a Frenchman, I'd probably be running a riot. We want roads. We want roads. It's nice and green. It's a beautiful view on the river here. I can't look back too much, otherwise I'm gonna hit something. So I think we should be crossing a bridge soon, just to we're gonna be crossing. Oh, that's a bit sad. All the trash here left in the nature. Oh, and here as well. Oh my god. No. What is this? So I think there will be a bridge. Oh yeah, here is the bridge. There's a bridge for us to take us on the other side of the river bank, because we are actually going that way. It's beautiful. It's nice and green. It's beautiful, nice and green. Look at that. So cool. So here it is. Oh man, what a beautiful river. What a view, honestly. Lovely. "10 kilometers later and still the same. So I hope we will see some asphalt at some point. That would be fantastic. Oh, the river is still here. It's lovely actually, the scenery, but I wanted to fly the drone, but it's raining too much now for that. I'm scared I'd be oh, you see how wide that is? Jeez, that's nice. That's nice, eh?
Yeah.
So nice. Okay, this is just getting worse now, you know, with the rain pissing down. This is already tiring. I respect Saliha a lot for this, because you need to be strong mentally, you know, to take that on. It's really not easy. I mean, for you locals, it's probably something you are used to, but you know, for us foreigner, riding in those kind of roads condition, that's something we don't do. I mean, we barely have, we don't really have that. I mean, we would, but you know, to an extent, only for a few kilometers or something, but not for like, you know, 70, 80 kilometers plus. It's very tiring. It takes a toll on your back, on the body and all. Yep. So no, I respect Saliha a lot for that, because I don't know how many girls can take that, you know. I'm not being sexist or anything, but that's what I think. Finally, some road, guys. Oh, look at the little kitty. I hope it's gonna be for some time and not just for like 500 meters. Proper jungle road now. Look at that, it's beautiful. Oh, and a truck out of nowhere. So green. The road is bad again, as you can see. It was good for about 10, 15, not even, yeah, 10 kilometers. It's pretty fucking bad now. Gotta mind the landslide as well with the rain, but it's not raining too much anymore, so it's actually okay. Actually stopped raining almost completely. Oh yes, the good road is starting again, I think. Fuck, I'm stuck. Oops. Here we go. Okay guys, we're just taking a quick break and beautiful landscape, as you can see, very green but very wet. I was actually extremely wet, that's why we took a break. I needed to get changed. Not very well equipped, as you can see. I don't even know where we are. Ganf का नाम क्या है? Buraraput village. Okay. Okay. Arunachal Pradesh. Yes. Yes. We still have 114 exactly kilometers to go, and it's going to be night in 2 hours. So it's going to be funky. Some days are, let's say that some days are better than others, and today is a other day. But that's all right. That's all right. We have cold coffee to warm us up. How you feeling? You look a little wet, and for once it's not even my fault.
Show my shoes are, there is a river inside of my shoes.
Even mine, that are good, normally good Gore-Tex shoes, like it was raining quite a lot before, so now also it's getting damp. Anyway. To carry? Backpack, eh? Interesting. आपका नाम क्या है? You speak good English. Are you from this village?
Yeah.
Nice man. The road is going to be good and bad to Alo? Maybe bad. Not so good.
Yeah.
So. Sometimes good, sometimes bad.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, nice to meet you, man. Okay, sorry. Let's go. Let's talk for long enough now. Daporijo. Daporijo, alo jana hai. Alo. Alo Mechuka. Yeah. Mechuka Pashigat. Pashigat Guwahati.
अपना गौर में जाएगा ना आलो से पासीघाट होके गुवाहाटी अपना गौर में पहुंच जाएगा ना
चलो भाई
मम्मी पापा का नाम मयोल मम्मी पापा का नाम मयोल
नहीं समझ में आया आपका झोला Salia, मेरा हिंदी बेकार है. Favorite sentence. It's my favorite sentence too. Sally. All good? So why did you stop?
Huh?
Why did you stop? Resting? Okay. Tamam. Oh, that's so nice.
So nice.
So cool.
Look at your river. Look at the road.
Yeah. Yeah, now you can realize the size of the construction work going on here. There was a mini landslide here, guys. Hey, bro. Oh, it's so rocky. So the big Volvo excavator was working on it to clear the road. All good. We can go back, get back on track. Oh, buses! I don't know how they can be on that road. Can you see that? So nice! This is a very big contrast to the road I'm on now, but you see, that's the things you get to discover in adventure riding. Unbelievable! Oh man, this is so cool. With Saliha, we were riding towards Alo, and about an hour away, my Turkish GPS made us go through a small village, God knows why. But anyway, we turned around, and on the way back to the main road, I fell, and it's not broken, but I sprained it. I sprained my thumb. So unfortunately we are here now, but luckily, actually not even unfortunately, because we're very grateful to the locals from the village. They saw me falling, they came, they helped, Even a doctor came and touched my thumb and I was crying like a little baby. It's quite painful. I know it's not broken, but it's quite painful. But the locals, we can show Saliha. They invite us to come to the place, the nice fire. He's the head of the village. Head of the village. What is your name, sir?
My name is Gamdo Doke.
Thank you so much for having us. It's very nice of you.
Okay.
Really appreciate it. And his granddaughter.
Me too also just come for 1 month. Now I am Indian Army.
Yes, he's part of the Indian Army.
And she is my
Granddaughter. Yes. So you see, guys, that's
just light is gone.
yeah, light has gone. So we have the light, only the fire light to light us up. But we'll stay here tonight. It's very nice of them. They are having us. They're preparing food for us. They are even poured some local wine for me to numb the pain. That's fantastic. I'm not sure I'll be able to ride tomorrow, but let's see. For now, let's just enjoy the present moment.
Beautiful wife.
Yes.
Old wife.
Yeah, Yahi.
Yahi Doke.
Yahi. She's very nice. Thank you so much, Yahi. And thanks for the local wine. Organic. Cheers. Santé.
Okay, yeah, do subscribe.
So you're just sharing a meal by the fire with our host. And this, what is the name of this plant you said?
Tire.
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 So apparently it's something that grows around here. And it's good for different reasons. Yeah, high blood pressure.
Mainly use the person who have high pressure and gastric.
Yeah. Well, gastric issue. And chicken is so tasty. This is the local rice that comes with it. I'm very blessed, really. You know, sometimes in life you've got some bad things happening to you, like it did for me today in my small accident. But then you get to meet beautiful people and eat the local food. And look, she's
Thank you so much.
very nice of you. That's the granddaughter. Remind me your name?
Tarangam?
Paragam.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so she brought the food for us. Very nice. Now we're getting warmed up by the fire. It's lovely. I'm not saying that I'm happy to have fallen off the bike, but almost. Because yeah, sometimes something bad happens to you, and then life gives you lemons, as we say. Let's enjoy. Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next vlog. Hopefully I'll be able to ride again. Let's see.
He will.
फिर मिलेंगे.
फिर मिलेंगे.